ये भारत की सरकार के तानाशाही पर जोरदार तमाचा है।
Well, this has been a big development coming in the way for the former Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. The Supreme Court has now granted him bail as far as in both the cases that were being investigated on part of the Enforcement Directorate and also the CBI.
मनीष सिसोदिया को, जिनको एक झूठे केस में जिनको एक झूठे केस में 17 महीने तक
Supreme Court has not gone into the merits of the case, but only the fact that, as you rightly said, Amita, he has spent 1.5 years in jail already. The Supreme Court took very serious view of the pre-trial detention and also prolonged incarceration of 1.5 years, even before the trial had begun. Supreme Court noted that there are 493 witnesses in this case, and the trial will not commence anytime soon. In fact, the Supreme Court went by the October 30, 2023 judgment of the Supreme Court, which had said that the prosecution has succeeded in establishing the money trail, and there is also prima facie evidence of the charges against him. But Supreme Court had taken very view of the prolonged incarceration and had told Manish Sisodia that if the trial is not completed within 7 to 8 months, if you see that things are not moving in 3 months, you can again approach the Supreme Court for bail. Big relief coming in for the former Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, Manish Sisodia, as today he will be walking out free. Why? Because the Supreme Court has granted him bail in both the CBI and ED cases of the Delhi liquor scam, which means that he will be walking out by evening today. He has to furnish a bail bond. The only condition is that he has to surrender his passport and should not influence witnesses or tamper with evidence.
सत्रह महीने के इंतजार के बाद एक बड़ी सफलता मिली है, लेकिन मैं आज भारत के प्रधानमंत्री से और बीजेपी से पूछना चाहता हूं, ये दुर्भावना की राजनीति आपकी कब तक चलेगी? ये भारत की सरकार के तानाशाही पर जोरदार तमाचा है।